In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your available offline projects in Canva. This is especially helpful if you're working on the go, your internet connection is unstable, or you simply want to make sure you can keep editing your designs even when you're offline. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to look in Canva to see which projects are ready to use without an internet connection. First, go ahead and open Canva on your computer or device and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the main Canva home screen, look over to the left-hand side of the page. This is where you'll see the main navigation menu. It usually includes options like Home, Templates, Brand, and so on. In that same area, you'll find the section labeled Projects. Now, click on Projects in the left sidebar. This is where Canva stores all of your designs, folders, and uploads in one place. Think of it as your library of everything you've created or saved. After you click Projects, the main area of the screen will change to show all of your recent designs, folders, and any items you've organized. At the top or along the side of this projects view, you'll see different filters or tabs that help you sort and narrow down what you're looking for. One of these options is called Available Offline. Go ahead and click on Available Offline. As soon as you do that, Canva will filter your projects and show only the designs that are currently downloaded and available for offline use on your device. These are the projects that you can open and work on even if your internet connection drops or you're completely offline. If you don't see many projects in this section, it might mean that most of your designs haven't been made available offline yet. In that case, you may want to open specific designs while you're online so Canva can sync them and store them locally on your device. Over time, you'll see more projects appear in this Available Offline view. That's all there is to it. By going to the Projects section in the left sidebar, and then selecting Available Offline, you can quickly find the designs you can access without an internet connection.